Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a bank about changing money. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two travelers and the bank staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Do you need a passport to change money at the bank? Yes or no? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Okay, Ellie, we are here at last. This is our hotel.
It looks really nice. I love the big windows and the plants.
Me too. The lobby is so clean and bright.
And the staff are smiling. That is always a good sign.
True, but first we need some cash for today.
Right. I just asked at the front desk. They can change money here.
Really? What is the rate?
The lady showed me a small sign by the desk. The rate looks a little high.
I thought so. Hotels are easy and fast, but the rate is not very good.
So what do? We need cash before we go out.
Let's walk to a bank. There is one 5 blocks away.
5 blocks? That is kind of far. Can't we just do it here?
The bank is much better for the rate. Trust me on this.
Are you really sure it's better? We are tired from the long flight.
I am sure. Hotels and airports almost always add a big fee.
I don't know. It is so hot outside today.
It will only take 20 minutes, and we can save some money.
Okay, but later let's compare the two rates. I want to see the numbers.
Deal. I want to show you the difference too.
Fine. Let's go before I change my mind.
Let's walk slowly. It is a nice, sunny day.
Okay, but you are buying the coffee later, mister.
No problem. A cup of coffee for a better rate? Easy deal.
Good answer. Let's drop our bags in the room first.
Good plan. Then we go straight to the bank.
I will also bring my small notebook. I want to write down the rate.
Smart thinking. Then you can remember for your next trip too.
Exactly. And I can share the tip with my family later.
You really are a careful traveler, Ellie.
I try to be. Travel can be expensive if you are not careful.
Very true. Small habits save a lot of money later.
Okay, bags in the room, then money, then food. Let's go. Wow, this bank is huge. Look at the tall doors and the stone walls.
Yes, banks in this country are often big and old.
There are so many people inside. Where do we even go?
We need to find the foreign exchange sign. Let's look around slowly.
Foreign exchange. Oh, I see it. Right over there.
Good eyes, Ellie. Let me read the board for you.
What does it say? Is it in English too?
Yes, both languages. It says foreign exchange, 3rd floor.
3rd floor? Okay, and what is that line below?
It says, please take a number, and there is a small arrow.
Take a number? Like at a doctor's office?
Yes, many banks work that way here. You take a ticket and wait.
That is smart. No pushing, no long lines, no stress.
Right, and it is fair. First come, first served.
I like that. Where is the ticket machine?
Right here by the wall. See the small screen with buttons?
Yes, I see it. Which button do I press?
Press the one that says Foreign Exchange.
Okay, I pressed it. A small paper just came out.
That is our ticket. What number are we?
Number 42. What is the current number?
Let me check the big screen. It shows 39 right now.
Only 3 people before us. That is not bad at all.
Not bad. Let's take the stairs up to the 3rd floor.
Okay, I am a little excited. My first time changing money abroad.
Just relax. I'll be next to you the whole time.
Thanks. It helps to have you here.
By the way, look at all the services on this sign.
Wow! Loans, savings, cards, and foreign exchange too.
Banks do a lot more than just hold money.
I can see that now. It really is a busy place.
And it is nice and cool inside. That is a bonus.
Yes, a very nice bonus on a hot day.
Hello, number 41. Please come to window 2.
Oh, that is me. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you today?
I would like to change money, please. US dollars to the local money.
Of course. How much would you like to change today?
$200, please.
200 US dollars. Great. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is. I have it right here.
Thank you. I will just enter your details into the system.
Take your time. By the way, is a passport always needed?
Yes, for any foreign exchange. It is a bank rule here.
I see. Even for small amounts?
Yes, even for $10. No passport, no exchange.
Good to know. What is today's rate?
Today's rate is on this small card, and we add a small fee of $2.
$2. That is a good price.
So, you will receive this amount in local money. Please check the number.
Looks good. Thank you for showing me.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
One more thing, please. Can I have some small bills, too?
Of course. May I ask why?
We plan to eat at food stands and take small buses today.
Good idea. Food stands often do not have change for big bills.
That is exactly what I thought.
I will give you a nice mix, some big notes and many small ones. Is that okay?
That sounds perfect. Thank you so much.
Here is your local money and your passport. Please count it before you leave.
Counting now? Yes, all here. Thank you again.
Have a wonderful trip, sir.
Thank you. One last question, if you have a moment.
Of course. Please ask.
If I have extra local money, can I change it back later?
Yes, you can. Just bring your passport and the bills.
Perfect. That is very helpful to know.
And please keep the receipt. It helps when you change money back.
Good tip. I will keep it safe.
You are back. How did it go at the window?
Very smooth. Here is the money. Take a look at this mix.
Wow, so many bills. And they are all different colors and sizes.
Yes, I asked for a nice mix.
big ones and small ones together.
Smart. So, how was the rate? Tell me the truth now.
The bank rate was much better than the hotel rate.
Really? How much better are we talking?
I did the math on my phone just now. About $15 better.
$15 for just $200 changed?
Yes, that is a lot, right?
That is a really nice lunch for two, or coffee for a whole week.
Exactly. That is why I wanted to walk to the bank.
Okay. You were right this time. I'm sorry I said no.
It is okay. Now you know for next time.
Yes, banks are better for changing larger amounts.
Remember, hotels and airports are easy, but usually more expensive.
That is a good travel tip. I will tell my sister before her next trip.
Good idea. Small savings can add up fast.
$15 here, $10 there, it really adds up.
Right. And that extra money means more food and fun.
So next time, we should check 2 or 3 places first.
Good plan. A few minutes of checking can save real money.
Hey, can I change a little money too? I want to pay for my own things.
Sure. Do you have your passport with you?
Yes, right here in my small bag.
Great. Let's get you a new ticket from the machine.
Okay, I'm a little nervous, but I really want to try it myself.
You will do great. Just speak slowly and smile.
Okay, slow and smile. I can do that.
And if you forget a word, that's fine too. They see tourists every day.
That is a good point. They will be patient.
Also, remember to say, small bills, please. That was the key phrase.
Small bills, please. Got it. I will try not to forget.
Hello, number 43. Please come to window 3.
Hi, that is me. Good afternoon.
Welcome. How can I help you today?
I would like to change $50, please.
$50. No problem at all. May I have your passport?
Yes, here you go. I hope it is okay.
It is fine. I will check it now.
Thank you. Is there anything else you need?
One small thing, please.
Yes, what is it?
Could you give me bills that are not torn or too old?
Oh, is that a rule here?
Yes. We cannot accept torn bills. Only clean ones, please.
Really? I did not know that rule at all.
Many countries have this rule. Some stores will not take them either.
Wow, I should really check my bills before I travel next time.
Good idea. Clean new bills are always safe.
Here are my bills. I picked the best ones from my wallet.
Let me check them one by one. Yes, these are all fine. Thank you.
Oh, good. I was a little worried.
No need to worry. They look new.
One more thing, please. Can I get small bills like my husband did?
Of course. Taxis and small shops really love small bills.
That is what my friend told me too.
Your friend gave good advice. Big bills are hard to use at street stands.
I see. That makes so much sense.
Here is your local money. Please count it carefully before you leave.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is all here. Thank you.
You are welcome. Please enjoy your trip.
Thank you so much.
You were very kind.
My pleasure. Have a great first day.
Oh, one quick question before I go.
Sure. What would you like to know?
Do many travelers come here each day?
Yes, many. This area has many hotels, so we see them often.
That is nice. I feel safer knowing we are not the only ones.
Of course, you are safe here.
Okay, we both have local money now. We are ready.
Great job, Ellie. That was easier than you thought, right?
Much easier. The staff was so kind and patient.
Yes, and now we are ready for the whole day.
So, what is next on our plan?
Let's go find lunch somewhere. How about a food stand nearby?
Yes, please. I am so hungry right now.
And now we have cash. We can buy almost anything on the street.
That is true. Some small shops only take cash, right?
Right. Food stands, small markets, and local buses often want cash only.
Wow, I really thought everything was card now, everywhere.
In big stores and chain shops, yes, but street food is different.
Good to know. I'm really glad we came to the bank.
Me too. And you saved some money at the same time.
Thank you for pushing me to come with you.
No problem at all. Next trip, you can teach me something new.
Deal. Maybe I will learn about tipping rules.
Good topic. Tipping is not easy in every country.
Yes, the amount changes everywhere. It is confusing.
For sure, each country has its own habit.
Okay, enough talking here. Let's go eat something tasty.
Food stand, here we come. I can smell it already.
I really learned a lot today. Thanks again for your help.
Anytime. Travel is the best teacher, I think.
So true. Okay, follow me. I see a stand down the street.
Perfect. Lunchtime, here we go.
And after lunch, maybe a short walk in the park?
Sounds lovely. We can watch people and rest a bit.
And I want to buy a small gift for my mom, too.
No problem. With small bills, that will be easy.
Today is going to be a really good day.
I think so too. A good start makes the whole trip better.
And I have one more idea for later.
Oh? Tell me.
Let's save some small bills just for tips and taxis.
Great idea. Ready for anything.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Do you need a passport to change money at the bank? Yes or no? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoy these videos and would like to support the channel, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.